Hello and welcome back with an important and informative video. So today in this video I'm going to explain you about an important electrical interview question. The question is that why the electrical frequency in India is considered as 50 Hz. So let's talk about it in a detailed manner. So basically, there are two main reasons behind it. So the first reason is that the historical and economic reason, and the second reason is that the technical reason. So first of all, let's talk about the historical and economic reason. So it says that the development of India's early electrical infrastructure occurred under the British rule, and the British and other European countries had adopted the 50 horse standard. So the power systems and the equipment installed in India were designed to this specification. And by the time India gained the independence in 1947, the 50 horse infrastructure was extensive and well established across the country. So, changing the standard would have required a replacing virtually all power plants and transmission lines and customer devices, a massive and unfeasible economic undertaking, especially for a newly independent country facing other challenges also. That's why many of India's trading partners and neighboring countries also use the 50 horse standard by making it logical to maintain the consistency for exchanging electrical equipment and power. So this was all about the historical and economic considerations or the historical and economic reasons. Now let's talk about the technical reasons. While the primary reasons are historical, there are also technical trade-offs associated with different frequencies. Though neither 50 Hz nor 60 Hz is considered definitively superior to the others. The first technical reason is that generator speed. So the frequency is directly related to the rotation speed of the generators in power plants. For a generator with two magnetic poles, a speed of 3000 rotations per minute results in a 50 Hz frequency calculated by the formula of Ns equal to 120 F by P. So where N is the RPM of the generator and P is the number of poles associated with the alternator. So the second technical reason, that is transmission efficiency, which is most important, that is lower frequencies like 50 Hz can support the power system or the power transmission over slightly longer distances with less loss as compared to the higher frequencies. So this was an advantage given India's large geographical area. Now let's talk about the last technical reason, that is transformer and equipment design. So at the time India's grid was being built, transformer designed for 50 Hz were considered more efficient for the higher voltages, which is used in European systems that India's adopted. While 60 Hz system can use smaller, higher transformer and motors, they may also expensive and slightly higher internal losses and heat generation. So that's the perfect technical reason behind